Welcome to Speech on Success.
First question. When was the Constituent Assembly formed? Correct answer B. 1946. Next question. Under whose plan was the Constituent Assembly formed? Correct answer C. Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question. Total number of members in the Constituent Assembly originally? Correct answer B. 389. Next question. How many members finally signed the Constitution of India? Correct answer A. 284. Next question. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question. Who was the Chairman of the Drafting Committee? Correct answer C. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Next question. The idea of the Constituent Assembly was first proposed by Correct answer B. Manbendra Nath Roy. Next question. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Assembly? Correct answer A. Benegal Nursing Rao. Next question. When did the Constituent Assembly first meet? Correct answer A. 9 December 1946. Next question. When was the Indian Constitution adopted? Correct answer B. 26th November 1949. Next question. When did the Constitution come into force? Correct answer C. 26th January 1950. Next question. Who moved the Objectives Resolution? Correct answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. The drafting of the Constitution took. Correct answer A. 2 years, 1 month, 18 days. Next question. Number of women members in the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer B. 12. Next question. Which committee recommended the fundamental rights? Correct answer C. Advisory Committee. Next question. Who headed the Union Powers Committee? Correct answer A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Who chaired the Provincial Constitution Committee? Correct answer C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. Which committee dealt with minorities? Correct answer A. Minorities Subcommittee. Next question. The Constitution of India was handwritten by Correct answer A. Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada. Last question. Preamble was adopted on Correct answer B. 26th November 1949.